Good morning, students. So in the last class you had studied about the process of photosynthesis in detail. We had also studied about the presence of starch in leaf. How will you test whether starch is present in leaf or not using iodine solution? And we had also studied briefly about eutrophication, right? So today let's begin with today's class. Okay, so let's get started. Yes. So today we are going to study about a very important topic that is called nitrogen fixation. Now what is nitrogen fixation? Let us study. Nitrogen is present in abundance in gaseous form in the air. Okay, so nitrogen, it is present in gaseous form in abundance, okay, in the air, and plants cannot absorb nitrogen in this form. Okay, so although nitrogen is present in abundance in the form of a gas, but plants, it cannot absorb nitrogen in this form. So all of you know how plants absorb carbon dioxide, isn't it? So plants, they absorb carbon dioxide through the stomata. Okay, so stomata is present in leaves. That means carbon dioxide is directly taken from the air, okay, by the plants. But nitrogen, although it is present in air, nitrogen cannot be absorbed by the plants in this form, that is directly from the air, because the molecule of nitrogen is very big. Okay, the structure of the molecule of nitrogen is very big, so it cannot enter the leaves. Okay, so now plants need nitrogen. Definitely the plants, they need nitrogen because it's a very important mineral. So how will the plant get nitrogen now? So soil has certain bacteria that convert the gaseous nitrogen into a usable form and release it into the soil. So in the soil there are certain bacteria. Okay, so these bacteria, what do? They live in the roots of certain plants. These plants are called legumes. Okay, Legumes. So these plants are called legumes. So these legumes, example I can give you like pea plant, gram plant. Okay, so these are leguminous plants. So these leguminous plants, they make the bacteria stay in their roots. Okay, so in the roots of leguminous plants the bacteria stay, and this bacteria, what do? They take in the gaseous nitrogen. Okay, they will absorb the gaseous nitrogen and they will convert the gaseous nitrogen into a usable form. Okay, into a usable form that can be absorbed by the plants. Okay, so they will convert the gaseous nitrogen into a usable form and release it into the soil. So now nitrogen will be present in the soil because the bacteria, they have absorbed the nitrogen from the atmosphere and they have, kept the nitrogen in the soil. Okay, so now because now it is present in the soil, so plants can absorb this nitrogen along with the water, isn't it? So along with the water, the nitrogen can go in through the roots now. Okay, so it becomes very convenient. So this process is called nitrogen fixation. Okay, I hope it is clear. So you have a diagram here, you see. Now suppose this is a plant, so this is nitrogen in the air. Okay, so nitrogen is present in abundance in the air, you can see here. Okay, so now this nitrogen, what will happen? Suppose this is a plant, this is a leguminous plant or legume. Okay, so this legume, these roots of the legumes, they have certain bacteria. Okay, the roots of the legumes, they host certain bacteria. That means bacteria, they live in the roots of these legumes. Okay, so these bacteria, what do? They will convert this nitrogen, okay, the nitrogen in the air, that will be taken up by the bacteria that live in the roots. Okay, so leguminous plants are basically the pulses. Okay, like you have the dal, okay, different kinds of dal, then you have pea plant, you have gram plants. So basically the pulses. Okay, so now they will take in this nitrogen and they will convert this into a usable form and release it in the soil. So now this nitrogen will be available in the soil. So now what will happen? From the soil through the roots, the plants can take up the nitrogen. Okay, so through the roots the plant will gradually take up the nitrogen. It will go to the leaf, okay, and plants can utilize it. Okay, so here it is written, microbes, they fix the nitrogen in the nodules on the roots of the pulse crop. Nodule means these are certain, small, you can say round structures that are present in the roots. So these round structures that are present, you can see certain round structures here. These round structures are called nodules. Okay, so you can say these are the home, okay, of the bacteria. So bacteria, they live in these nodules or homes. Okay, so now the nitrogen will be fixed by the bacteria. Bacteria will convert the nitrogen into usable form. It will be released by the soil, and plant will take up the nitrogen along with the water. So in that way, nitrogen can be taken up by the plants. This process is called nitrogen fixation. So we'll continue with the explanation in the next slides. Thank you.